All right, so I'm going over the second question on the target round. So a bag contains blue and red marbles, and when 20% of the blue marbles and 50% of the red marbles are removed, 70% of the marbles initially in the bag remain. Compute the ratio of blue to red marbles after the removal. Okay, so let's say that there's B blue marbles and R red marbles before we remove any marbles. So this first thing is saying that when we remove 20% of the blue, so that's leaving 80% of the blue, or 0.8 B, and 50% of the red marbles, so that's plus 0.5 R, and we know that that's equal to 70% of the number of marbles initially in the bag. So initially in the bag there were B plus R, so that means that this has to equal 0.7 B plus 0.7 R. So now that we have this equation, we can get all the B's to one side and all the R's to one side. So let's subtract 0.7 B. That would leave us with 0.1 B is equal to, then we subtract 0.5 R from both sides and we get 0.2 R. So now we can find the ratio before we remove marbles by dividing by R and then dividing by 0.1. So when we do that, we get B over R is equal to 0.2 divided by 0.1, or this is 2. But that's, so this ratio is the ratio of blue to red marbles before we removed marbles, but the question is asking for after the removal. So what we're trying to find is this to this. So that'd be 0.8 B over 0.5 R. And so we can find that just by multiplying 2 by 8/5, which is what we get when we do this fraction. So 2 times 8/5 would be 16/5, and that would be our answer.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.